Abantu abamnyama isona sizwe sathwala kanzima kakhulu, isizwe sabantu abamnyama. Ngobani? Yonke into ibifika ikhwele phezu kwekhanda lomuntu omnyama, icindezela umuntu omnyama ukuze iziveze ukuthi injani. Zizwe, ngabala abelungu, ngabala amaNdiya, ngabala zonke iy'nhlobo zezizwe. Konke mekufika kufike kukhombisa ukusa phezu komuntu omnyama. Umuntu omnyama bese ephenduka isincelebane. Isithunzi sabantu abamnyama sijivaziwe. Yet most yabantu abasayithembi. They don't think they are worth it as abantu abamnyama. Yabo, isithunzi somuntu omnyama sijivazeke kakhulu. So abantu abaningi abamnyama sebezama indlela yokuthi ba-defend ukuthi hayibo nami ngibalulekile, nami I'm someone. They don't think ukuthi ba abantu abamnyama is enough ukuthi ba worth it, they belong kulomhlaba. So abantu abaningi abamnyama they try to defend ngokuthi ba defend nge-status. That's why most yabo bezozama ukuthi bathenge imoto ezibizayo so that they can try and prove ukuthi nami I'm somebody. It's the only thing that can validate them as somebody ukuthi ngihamba ngemoto ebizayo. Whereas ngala umlungu akadingi imoto ebizayo ukuze umthathe serious. Ibala lakhe lemhlophe nje is more than enough. Wena ngala because ibala lemnyama selijivaziwe kakhulu, you don't think ukuthi umnyama it's enough. You must have indlu ebizayo ongayi-afford, expensive. You must have imoto ebizayo ongayi-afford because you are trying to prove your worth ukuthi hayibo nami I belong. Yabo, nami ngithatheni serious nami phela ngumuntu. The only way to do that is a status. Yabo, you have to ukuthi ufake iwashe elibizayo la 150,000 ukuze ubonakale njengomuntu nawe obalulekile. Yabo, ibale lemnyama lilodwa likho enough. Yabo, you have to ukuthi udle kuma-restaurant abizayo and post about it. Ngobani? You are trying to defend your status. Ukuthi umnyama, it's not enough. Ngobani isithunzi somuntu omnyama sijivazekile. Yonke into ibifika ikhwele phezu komuntu omnyama. Zonke izizwe zidlalela phezu kwekhanda lomuntu omnyama. Into ebalulekile umuntu omnyama ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi uyithande and uzihloniphe and ungazibukeli phansi and ungazinyezi futhi. Ukubona ngisho noma sebekhuluma English bonaka abantu ubona ukuthi ushintsha ngisho i-accent because uzizwe complete mekhuluma ulimi labacindezeli ukuthi yabo I'm somebody. You are enough wena nje uMzulu, umuntu, noma uMxhosa, noma uMsuthu, noma uMtswana. You are enough wena nje. Isithunzi sabantu abamnyama sijevazeke kakhulu, kodwa umuntu omnyama ziphenye. Akekho umuntu onjengawe. Akekho umuntu oba njengawe kuzona zonke izizwe. Akekho umuntu onjengawe umuntu omnyama. So ziphenye uzithande. Siyabonga kakhulu.